Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at how to add your Facebook pixel to your Squarespace website. Now Facebook has made this really easy with a partner integration over the last kind of year or so. So we're going to be using that today, which will require a business account or higher in order to do that. If, however, you have a personal account with Squarespace, don't worry, I will link to a tutorial below showing you how to manually add the pixel to your website. It's just that this way is a lot easier, especially if you're not super tech savvy and you just want the quickest, easiest route to doing so.
The first step we need to take is to go to your Facebook Ads Manager. Once you're there, click on the hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner. Select All Tools at the bottom, and then under Events Manager, select Pixels. Now, if you already have a Facebook pixel connected to your Facebook account, you will see Default Pixel here. If you don't, this will show as a blank page, and then you'll see a big green button like this one that says Create a Pixel. Now, the next step we have to take is to click on the pixel. You'll see these buttons in the top right hand corner. We want to select the Setup drop down menu and then select Install Pixel. Now we're going to select Add Code using a partner integration. It's important to know that you do have to have a business account with Squarespace in order to use this feature, but it's highly recommended for all the different premium content blocks you can access, and it just makes this process so much easier. So select Add Code using a partner integration. Scroll down until you find Squarespace. Select Squarespace, and then this first section is if you've already previously installed a Facebook pixel on a Squarespace website. What you have to do first is, if you've manually added it in the past, you have to go to your website, you have to go to Settings, and then Advanced, then Code Injection, and then you just want to remove any Facebook pixel code if you've previously installed one. If not, don't worry about this step, you simply select Continue. Now you have to copy your pixel ID, that's this long number here. Copy that, go into your website, go to Marketing, Facebook Pixels and Ads, and then simply copy and paste your Facebook pixel ID in here. Once you've done that, come back and select Continue. The next step is to verify your pixel is working, so this one is showing as active. If this is the first time installing your pixel, it might be a little slow, so don't worry if this takes 2 or 3 minutes to work. The other thing you can do is you can add this Chrome plugin, this Chrome extension rather, called Facebook Pixel Helper. What this does is this tells you if the Facebook pixel is installed on any website. Simply refresh your website if it's not showing up, click on the Chrome extension, and it will show you your pixel ID so you can verify that it is working on your site. Once that's all done and you're verified, click Continue, and your Facebook pixel is now installed. The next step is to set up events. So these are things where you want to track your customer or your website visitor behavior on your website. So all you have to do is select the URL you want to track. I'm going to track a landing page on my website. So this is the page I'm going to track, and I just have to copy the website URL, go back into my Facebook pixel event setup, paste it in here, and select Open Website. Now you'll see this little pop-up button appears. You'll also have another button that might appear if this is your first time visiting it. And all you have to do is scroll down your website and either select a URL or a button to track. So here I've got my sign up. So I want to track people who are signing up to my newsletter. So I'll click either this blue little icon, or I'll select Track button and select the button to track. Now here it says suggested event, so you'll see the Facebook makes this really easy, and you just select the appropriate event you want to track. So here I'm going to track it as a lead. If you sign up to my newsletter, I consider that a lead. Confirm. Okay, so you'll see that this little green button appears to show it's working. Select Finish Setup. Now you might want to add additional URLs here. So for example, I might also want to track the thank you page. That way I can measure the leads that are signing up here against the people that are visiting the thank you page once they've signed up. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to keep it really simple. So I'm going to go ahead and select finish. You will be asked if it's helpful. You don't have to do this. You can just skip this step if you want. And then your page will close and you can come back to your Facebook pixel section, and it will tell you that your event setup is now complete. So you can now test events, and if at any point in time you want to add new ones, you just go on setup, set up new events, and it will take you through the same process. So really simple and easy to do.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give that a thumbs up and share it out with your friends on social media. And if you loved it, consider hitting the subscribe button and clicking the little bell icon so that you can be notified next time I post a video. Have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you again real soon.